Hello everybody! Today I want to talk about the sequence word and phrases. It's an easy lesson. Now first, it is important to know the sequence or order of events. So, the sequence words and phrases, it shows us the sequence or the order of some event, of an event. Sequence words and phrases, also called transition words and phrases. Transition words and phrases. These sequence words and phrases will help your reader or the reader to follow your thoughts better or follow some instructions. Sequence words and phrases are often used with imperative to give instructions. Now, the thing that we have to know that after the sequence words and phrases that we are going to talk about now, we have to use a comma after them. All of them we have to use comma, but we don't have to use comma after them. So we use comma after all the sequence words and phrases, but then we don't use comma after it. Now, let's look at this example. First, choose a site. Then, dig a hole. Next, unwrap the root ball. After that, put the tree in the hole. Then, fill in the space around the root ball. Finally, water the tree. So here we have some instruction how to plant a tree. Okay. Now, here as what we see, we used in the beginning first. So this is the first sequence word. Now, then, next, after that, then, finally. So in the beginning we used first, in the last we used finally, and in the middle we used then, next, after that, then. And as what we see, after first, after next, after that, after finally, we use comma. We used comma. But after then, we don't use comma. Now, here we have some instructions how to make a cup of tea. First, we boil some water. Next, serve the water in a cup. Then, put the tea bag in the water. After that, add some sugar and milk. Finally, add a biscuit and enjoy it. Now, here in these sentences we have some missing thing, which is the comma. First, comma. Next, comma. Then we don't use comma. After that, we use comma. Finally, we use comma. Here after it we have that. It's a missing thing also. Here we have some examples on a sequence words and phrases. But let's focus on the important things of them. In the beginning, we use maybe first, maybe in the beginning, maybe first of all, to begin, to start. In the middle, we use next, then, second, after that, later, etc. In the end, we use at last, finally, in the end, last, after all, lastly, etc. Now, here we have some exercises to know if you understood what I said or not. Now, put in the key. Next, turn it to the right. What do we have to use? What is the missing thing here? We have to use first, or first with a comma, after, or after with a comma. This is number 1. Number 2, first, write your name. Write your phone number. Here we have some missing thing. We should use then, or then with a comma, or after, or finally. Try to do it by your own and tell me what are the answers, please. And this is everything. I hope you enjoy my lesson today. I think it's easy. And if you have any question, ask me please. Bye bye.